Hello everyone, with me again. Today I'm going to review the cheapest drone made by DJI, which is Tello DJI. Actually, this is not the DJI product, but it is made by one of China company based in Guangzhou, which called Rise. But interestingly, there is no any written sign about Rise in this box, maybe to give impression that this Tello is made by DJI, which has more better name than Rise. So uh, let's open now. This drone can fly maximum 13 minutes, and it is better to use it indoor because it can easily affected by wind. And the good thing from this drone is it has electronic image stabilizer, which means although it doesn't have gimbal, but the result on the footage will be very stable. It has 5 megapixel picture quality, and another interesting features of this drone is it has different types of flight modes that you can check later in the review videos. So let's open it. The price is around 100 bucks. This is what they give you, the manual. Maybe this is the warranty and the drone itself. So they give you only one battery here. Oh, battery is not here actually, but here is the battery. So it doesn't give you adapter for battery, so you must charge it uh, with the drone itself. So you can buy additional battery adapter, I mean, in online again by yourself. Once again, this is the manual again. So yeah, I can see the battery here with some, yeah, so the battery is here. So because the battery for this drone is quite cheap, not so expensive, I decided to buy again, which cost me 10 bucks. So you can shift. This is the advantage of DJI Tello compared to DJI Spark, which has more expensive battery. So in this angle, you can see DJI Tello wins against the DJI Spark. First of all, by its price, the overall price, and secondly, by the price of the battery. So this is the drone looks like. So you basically insert this battery into here like this, and then you can charge it by yourself to the any Android or Samsung mobile or Xiaomi cable charging. Yeah, so by the way, if you want to fly it better, you must use a Wi-Fi extension or Wi-Fi repeater to connect it to your phone, so it gives you more range of altitude in the when you fly it with this. It can fly to maximum like 30 meter, but if you don't use Wi-Fi repeater, it only can fly 10 meters high. So yeah, so see you again. Don't forget to subscribe, share it, give thumbs up and like, and see you in the next video for the review video. Oh ya, now I will talk in bahasa. Ini drone sangat murah, sekitar 1,5 juta, tetapi punya image stabilizer, yaitu kalau Anda beli Sima dia tidak punya image stabilizer, jadi gambarnya bakalan nggak bisa diupload. Tetapi dengan ini pasti bisa diupload, walaupun gambarnya ya sesuai dengan harganya, tidak terlalu bagus seperti DJI Mavic Pro, tapi tetap lebih bagus daripada Sima karena punya image stabilizer. Ini sudah sangat stabil karena uh, dia itu sudah sangat stabil karena sudah punya precise GPS walaupun tidak punya lock GPS. Gambarnya sudah HD 720p dan bisa terbang 313 menit. Karena dia itu salah satu feature yang bagus, dia baterainya murah, jadi bisa beli lagi 150 ribuan. Ini merupakan salah satu feature yang memenangkan dia daripada DJI Spark karena baterainya mahal. Jadi tak masalah walaupun dia cuma terbang 13 menit, tapi Anda bisa beli baterai lagi, jadi membuat DJI Tello ini bagus. Salah satu advantage-nya. Sama drone Bajan lain juga harganya sekitar bisa terbang sekitar 13 menit 10 menit sama. Jadi eh, itu alasan saya memilih DJI Tello eh, di segmen budget drone. Oke, terima kasih. Sampai jumpa di video kita yang selanjutnya.